G'day guys, here we are at the number 31 framing box pin joint. This is a really handy joint to use on a corner. The main benefit of it is you get a whole lot of gluing surface area. Like if you put glue in this joint, you get a whole lot of glue in there and it ends up being a really strong joint. And it's quite easy to cut as well. There's a few different ways you can go about it, but yeah, pretty good joint to use. So we'll get straight into it. We're using a piece of 90 by 45, so let's put that in. We'll go 90, 45, zoom in on that, and we're going to push it up by 250, 250. All right, we can zoom in on that. Okay, triple click, make component, component 1, done. Double click on that so we can start editing it. Now, this is our dark piece that we've drawn here. So what we need to do is we need to remove these two parts here that are 18 millimeters wide. So what we may as well do is just go straight along and mark all these 18 millimeter marks. 18, 18, 18, and 18. There we go. Now, we need to go down 45 millimeters because that joining piece of timber is 45 millimeters. So 45, enter. We're going to go across 18 and back up. Okay, same here. Oops, I think I missed the guide point. Oh, sorry, not 18. We need to go 45 down, 18 on the red axis, and then straight back up. Okay, you can push these two straight the way through, and that's that piece done. Okay, next piece, we're going to draw a rectangle from here to here, and it's going to be 90 by 45. There we go. Sorry, I'll just get this out of the way so you can see the dimensions. And we're going to push that through how far? That's going to be 250. There we go. Because we've already got the lines from the old piece, should be really easy to put these ones in. We just need to make it a component, double click on it to edit it, and then we can draw these lines straight down. I think this time we're going to need to draw them all in so that we can push the right parts. So in the first piece, we removed that and that. This time we're going to be removing these pieces. So once you've done the first one, you can just double click the rest and it'll go to the same depth. All right, now the test of this is when we paint it, let's see if the colors show up right. Boom, look at that, perfect. Okay, we'll just quickly grab the move tool and test it. Make sure it slides nice and smooth. Yep, looks like it goes together perfectly. Okay, fantastic. I'll hit escape, I will edit, delete guides, and we'll go file, save, number 31, framing, box. Okay, you beauty. All right, we'll go file, new. Next joint is a framing exercise. So it's a couple of different joints. I think we should have drawn all of these before. Yep. Okay, fantastic. I'll see you in the next video.